Today, friends, we are going to learn to look for and use a spelling pattern that is found in many words. So let's go ahead and look at this first word. This word is cap. K-ap, cap. Look at this word and think about what do you notice. You may notice that this word has 3 letters. Let's count them. 1, 2, 3. You may also notice that this word begins and ends with consonants. Consonants are all the letters in the alphabet that are not vowels. So these letters, C and P, are consonants. They are not vowels. And you may also notice that this word has a vowel in the middle. So there's a few different patterns we notice with this word. It has 3 letters. It begins and ends with a consonant. It has a vowel in the middle, and it has a short A sound. K-a-p. The A, the vowel makes its short sound. So that could be something that you notice about this word. Let's look at another word. Let's look at the word red. What do you notice about the word red? You may also notice that this word has 3 letters. Let's count them. R-E-D. 1, 2, 3. 3 letters. You may also notice that this word has a consonant at the beginning and at the end. What else do we notice about this word? This word red has a vowel in the middle. Now let's look at the words cap and red together. What do we notice that these words have in common? Can we find a pattern between the words cap and red? Both of these words have a vowel in the middle. Both of these words have a consonant in the beginning and in the end. And both of these words have 3 letters. But most importantly, these words have something in common called a CVC pattern. Consonant, vowel, consonant. There's a vowel in the middle. In the beginning and the end letters are letters that are consonants. They're letters that are not vowels. Now let's look at the word bit. B-it. What do you notice about the word bit? You're right, this word bit has 3 letters also, just like the others, and it also has the same consonant, vowel, consonant pattern. So today we are going to be working with words that have a consonant, vowel, consonant pattern. Assignment today, you guys will be determining if words have a consonant, vowel, consonant pattern, and you will also have a chance to type or make your own word that has a consonant, vowel, consonant pattern.